A very good morning to all the second BCom computers and general students. Today we are going to learn the subject Principles of Insurance. I am Katyani madam explaining you about the principles of insurance. Already we are in the second unit. We were discussing about the marine insurance. We discussed about marine insurance and health insurance in previous classes. And today we are going to discuss about burglary insurance, that is in principles of insurance in unit 2. Burglary insurance we are going to learn about. So before learning this insurance, some basic insurance products are there in insurance. There are two basic products which cover the risk of dying early and living to the term insurance and pure endowment policy. So here the products of this insurance are term assurance, pure term assurance, describing decreasing the term assurance, convertible term assurance, extended term assurance and pure endowment. So in this different products are there. Even the combination of plans like traditional products are also there. If you come for the traditional products, whole life insurance, pure life insurance, limited payment whole life insurance, convertible whole life insurance, endowment assurance, marriage endowment or fixed term endowment, educational annuity plans, limited payment endowment plans. So many types of plans are existing under the insurance products. When you talk about the general insurance also, we have many types of general insurance products existing in India under these groups of general insurance. So general insurance is contingent contract with the aim of providing security against the risk. General insurance is a contingent contract with the aim of providing security against the risk. It is a short-term contract, premium of which varies with the renewal of the contract. In this type of insurance, actual loss can be measured and insured is paid with the amount equal to the extent of other losses. In this type of insurance, what is happening? Actual loss can be measured and insured is paid. Insured means what? The person for whom the company paid the promise. Insured is going to get the equal amount of the loss. The risk of the loss will increase as time passes. There is no specification made relating to the surrender value or paid up the value. So here many losses may be there in this general insurance, like the fire, health, burglary, marine, etc. So in this topic we are learning about burglary insurance. Okay, so what is the meaning of burglary insurance? Is the insurance which is made due to the robbery. Okay, a loss which is made due to robbery. The burglary insurance policy, okay, means the robbery or Larency. Burglary insurance is a contract that covers any loss due to cheating or robbery. Okay, the loss, the contract, this burglary insurance is covering the loss which is covered due to the robbery of any goods, either it may be furniture or any type of goods. Classes of burglary insurance, if you talk classes, what are the different types of classes which are there? And the burglary insurance is residential insurance, personal hold-up insurance, bank burglary insurance, bank robbery insurance, safe deposit box insurance. So in these cases, bank robbery is going to take place. Bank also, some burglary means cheating is going to take place by the other person. Safe deposit box has been robbed. A household robbery, residential insurance, personal hold-up insurance. A person when carrying the important documents, items, jewelry, gold, etc. During that conditions also the robbery is going to take place, means these all are going to be covered under classes of burglary insurance. Next, introduction. It is particularly important for small business whose owners risk losing their livelihood due to theft. So there are chances sometimes because of the robbery also the people may kill the other person in order to escape from this robbery also. So such type of people go for this type of insurance called as a burglary insurance. So it is also there for the small business owners as well as the huge business owners also. The burglary insurance is there. Burglary insurance is an added one to the other insurance policies. It is one of the new policy which is added to the group insurances. It is a new type of thing which is added. Origin of the burglary insurance, if you talk about, originated at where? Lloyd's in London in 1887. This has been started. Even the marine insurance also started in this London only. That is Lloyd's. That is coffee shop which is there in London. In which year? In 1887. First company, which is the first company to issue this burglary insurance, is Mercantile Accident and Guarantee Company of Glasgow. Is the first company which has been started, which has been taken the burglary insurance. The contract has been started with this company. I repeat, the first company to issue the policy, means which gave the policy of the burglary insurance, is Mercantile Accident and Guarantee Company of Glasgow. The contract usually requires evidence that the person owned the stolen items. First point is, when you want to recover the loss from this burglary insurance, means you give the submitted required proofs to the insurance company that the goods lost by you are yours only. You are the owner of the particular instrument or materials or goods which are being stolen by someone else. You should give the title that you are the owner of that particular goods and instruments which has been robbed or stolen. Insurance company generally raises premium in certain situations. So for the burglary insurance, if you talk about the premium, what is premium? The periodical amount which is paid by the insured to the insurer regularly, that is every month or every 3 months or every 6 months or annually, that is yearly, he is paying. Why he is paying? In order to overcome the future risk. He is paying, he started paying from today, started saving as an investment in the insurance companies where the policy is going to start. The contract between the insurer and the insured is going to start when the premium is paid. Premium is a cash amount which is paid. Okay, so when the premium is paid only, the contract is going to start and the policy bond is going to be given to the insured. So this premium usually is going to be high in burglary insurance when compared to remaining all the insurance like the marine insurance, health insurance, okay, fire, okay, and other type of the insurance. When you compare this burglary insurance, the premium amount is going to be huge, high. So what is the meaning of the burglary definition here? It involves a break-in through violent or forcible means. Forcibly someone broken. Violently they broken the house or the furniture or the residence or the doors and they entered. So if a person breaks a window to get into the house or break open your cupboard to steal, it is considered burglary. Theft would means the person committing the crime had access to the house or its valuables. So they broke the door, they broke the window or they broke the cupboard in order to stolen the goods which are important, which are valuable. Theft, robbery has been done, means it comes under the burglary. The difference between the looting and the burglary. Looting is not particularly significant in regards to the actions taken by the preparatories. Looting on the other hand is essentially burglary that occurs during a period in which the local or the state government has declared a state of emergency. Looting, which is taken from the people by giving the notice, looting. Burglary, suddenly occurred event for this in field of robbery or theft. What is covered in the burglary insurance? Burglary insurance policy offers compensation for loss and damage resulting from burglary attempt. Any loss, any damage, any broken down, any goods has been moved away. For broken goods also they are going to give the insurance. Attempt in your premises. Burglary insurance also covers physical damages as well as the property damages arising from a forcible entry by an intruder into the insured premises. Forcibly they entered. In order to enter forcibly, they broken furniture, they broken the glass items, or they broken the doors, or they broken the cupboards, or any type of item is broken. That item also you can get the claim from the insurance company under the burglary insurance. Clear? Reliance burglary and housebreaking insurance policy covers property such as stocks and furnitures owned by the insured in the business premises is covered. So according to the Reliance burglary and housebreaking insurance policy, property such as stocks, stock means any good which is packed, any type of item, and furniture is also damaged by the in the insured's house in the business premises covered. Stock held in trust, commission, and for which the insured is responsible, if specifically covered. Damage to the premises resulting from the burglary and safe for housebreaking or any attempt at the burglary is covered. Cash, jewelry, valuables, and other security kept in locked safe or cash box is locked steel cupboard if specifically covered. Even the cash is been robbed, jewelry has been robbed, valuables are taken away, securities are taken away, furniture has been broken, premises they cause the damage, for the stock they cause the damage, for the furniture they cause the damage, means you can get the insurance coverage policy for those all items under burglary insurance. Policy options, the following variations which regard to the sum assured can be: floater policy issued for stocks at various locations under one sum insured. Declaration policy takes care of frequent fluctuations in stocks, stock values. Floater declaration policy is responsible for paying the amount that is a claim, and the burglary insurance comprises features of both the floater and the declaration policies. Which policies options are there? Two policies options are there: floater policy, floater declaration policy. Floater policy what? Issued for stocks. It is given only for the stocks at various locations in India or sum assured. Declaration policy is also there. First one is what? Floater policy. Next one is a declaration policy. Declaration policy for whom? Takes care of the frequent fluctuations in stocks and stock values. Day by day the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, there are ups and downs, that is rise in price and fall in price. For that also there is a declaration policy claim you can get for the stock up and downs, value decrease and increase. That comes under declaration policy. Floater policy means what? The policy which is issued for the stocks at various levels. For the stocks, if it is given, it comes in the floater policy. For the fluctuations of the price of the stock means it comes in the declaration policy. Floater declaration policy comprises features of both floater and declaration. So how many policies are there in the burglaries? 3 policies are there. First one is what? Floater policy. Second one is what? Declaration policy. Third one is floater declaration policy. Floater is only for the stocks. For sum assured, declaration is for both ups and downs as well as stock values. So floater declaration is together, it is a combination of the floater policy and the declaration policy. Okay, next. Thank you students. So I request you people to understand about the burglary. Burglary insurance is very small topic. Even though I explained in detail, it is very important. It may be coming for the short answer in the final examinations. So even though it is very small topic, I made one class on this topic. So I request all the students to concentrate on this burglary insurance, learn the definition and the types of policies which are existing under this. Thank you very much.